Interior coffee shop day. Hazel sits down at her usual table, opening her notebook and blank pages of sheet music. The only non-scratched off lyric written amongst the scribbles is, "Everybody's got an order." And Hazel turns to watch the barista Joe at work. The lights dim as a spotlight casts on both of them. Joe sings, "Everybody's got an order. Everybody's out in line." Hazel's eyes widen. Her head tilts, surprised. Listing off their poisons. Do those sips make everything all right? On the last line, Joe and Hazel lock eyes. Hi, I'm Cal Galicia.
And I'm Daeyoung Kim.
And we're the co-directors of Quarter Speed, a musical short film. Set in the bustling heart of New York City, Quarter Speed is about Hazel, a frustrated songwriter, as she envisions what life might be like for Joe the barista at the cafe she frequents. The musical itself is a product of her imagination as she attempts to write a song, seeing it come to life through Joe.
2 years ago, when Cal first wrote this musical, he just wrote it about coffee. But the reason why it stuck with me all these years is because I never really thought it was just about coffee. If anything, it's about feeling out of place in a city that neither of us have lived in, especially when both of our families are a 16-hour flight away. It's about the nagging feeling of isolation when being surrounded by people. And it's about giving yourself a chance to dream, even for a second, that there's a way out.
With your help, we'll be able to make this musical come to life by securing cafe, equipment, and food for our cast and crew. We appreciate any support or contributions you can make, and even if you can't donate, just sharing this page around will help get this project out of our immediate circle of friends and family. If you're interested in learning more about Quarter Speed and the incentives you stand to gain should you donate, you can find it below.
Thank you for listening.